Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to bypass these cuffs. Now, when I do these things with the cuffs, it all assumes that you know it's not double locked. So, if it isn't double locked, you can slip your tool in the bottom, I can see over top of my phone, and go like that. And let's push that pawl spring down. There we go. Now I got my tool stuck in there. There. I gotta practice this and make it look easy, but that's how it'll look when somebody just tries to do it right out the blue. You get practiced and you'll be able to stick this right in there and open it right up. That's all I got for you today. Come on back when you can.